Number 7, page 149. 149. 148 is going to be the example given there. Okay, for each of the following frequency table, construct an ogive by using suitable scales. Hence, determine first quartile, median, the third quartile, and this one just now we didn't look at our percentile. Percentile over here is going to be percentile. To the 7th percentile. Okay, how to find? Okay, we are going to look first for our construct our ogive. Okay, if you look over here, what must we find first?
Frequency.
Upper boundary, and then our cumulative frequency. 2 we are going to find from our table here. So just construct for our okay, after you extend your girls, I'm recording here. Okay, after we construct already our table here, extend. Okay, we are going to find our upper boundary and also our cumulative frequency. Okay, so how to find our upper boundary? Over here, girls. 5 and 6 over here. 5 plus 6 divide by 2. What you are going to get? Yes, 5.5. For the next, you are going to get 10 plus with 11 divided by 2. Yes, 10.5. Then 15.5, 20.5. You can get the pattern already over here for our upper boundary. Can, girls?
Yes, sir.
Okay. For our cumulative frequency, how did we want to find our cumulative frequency? Okay, you look at the number of typists there. That's going to be our what? Our frequency. Actually, this is going to be our frequency. To cumulative over here, first of all, I'm going to put 10. Okay, and after that, it's going to be like zigzag. It means that you are going to take 10 plus with 14. Then you are going to have over here 24 plus over it. Okay? And after that, you are going to plus again with 26. You are going to get 50. And so on lah. 50 plus with 35. 85. 85 plus 30. 115. 115 plus 25. 140. 140 plus 12. 152 plus with 8. 160. If you look over here, your last cumulative frequency there, 160, is gonna be equals what we okay, it's gonna be equals if you are going to sum all our frequency over here. It's gonna be 160. You can check that one. Is it gonna be the same? Okay, so upper boundary, cumulative frequency, done.
Kalau nak buat Ogive ni, kena cari upper boundary dia cumulative kan? Lower boundary tak payah? So the frequency will be given lah.
Of course lah. Okay, done? Okay. Back to your questions. Normally, frequency is going to be given. Okay, it's up to the questions. If the question is going to be your raw data. You know raw data? Remember raw data? Previously, we have done previously. Where is it? This one. This is raw data. You are the one have to find for our class interval. And then size of class interval, you are going to the one find the frequency, and from that you are going to have your upper boundary and also cumulative frequency if given the raw data. If given to you, the data given like this, the frequency table already given, so you are going to construct, find your upper boundary and also cumulative frequency only. Clear? Okay, now the question is asking for us to find our first quartile. Can we find first quartile straight away? Cannot. Why? Because we are going to construct our Ogive. After construct, then we can determine for our. Yes. Okay. So I need to find my graph paper. Did you have your you got your graph lah inside your PBD books there. Okay, wait I'm gonna need my graph. Okay. Huh? Okay, so first thing first. Okay, the scale is not given to us. If the scale not given to us, what you are going to use for your 10. Upper boundary is going to be at our x-axis, horizontal axis. So if you look at our upper boundary here, you are going to start with, okay, remember, if you refer back to our textbook, there, step for constructing an ogive. Add one class before the first class with 0 frequency, because we are going to start from 0. So means that if we are going to have our first class over here, before 5.5 is going to be what? 0.5. Isn't it? 0.5. So means that for our upper boundary here, 0.5, then our frequency going to be? Yes, going to be 0. Yes. Starts going to be 0. It's not going to be hanging. Okay, your cumulative, your ogive over here. So means that for our graph over here, sorry, I'm going to take the graph over here. What happened? Okay. Is it okay like this? Can I? Okay. So I need my ruler. Okay, so we are going to make our. Okay, it's going to be only for our first quadrant, isn't it? Because there are no negative value here. Okay. Now, you are saying just now we are going to start from 0.5. It's more easy for us to have 2 centimeter, isn't it? 2 centimeter, 0.5, can? So, save. Can lah. Yes, 0.5. I'm going to start 0.5. Is it enough in your books? Enough, right? 5.5, 10.5, sorry, 15.5, enough, huh? 20.5, because I'm using the standard one here. 25.5, 30.5, 35.5, 40.5. Okay, so I got ready for my boundary over here. Going to be, what is that? Our upper boundary here is going to be number of mistakes. Okay, this one, the tajuk, you must put number of mistakes there for our upper boundary. Okay, next, for the cumulative frequency, what you are going to use? Can you 20. 10 is not enough, because we are going to have until 160. So means that for 2 centimeter, I'm going to get 20, 20, 40, 60. This one going to be 100. 100 pula. Number of the piece. 120, 140. Mine can have 16, but yours lah. You are not enough, right? If put 10. Okay, this one going to be our cumulative frequency. Okay, done? Okay, next, what we are going to do over here, we going to plot. Okay, so first thing first. 0.5. Okay, 0.5, we are going to start with 0. 5.5 is going to be 10, so it's going to be in the middle here. 10.5, 24. Where is 24? So if you look over there, if 5 is going to be 10, means that 1 square is going to be 2. So, so 24 is going to be 2 box over here. Right? Yeah. So that's going to be your 20, 24. Yes. Okay, next 15.5 is going to be 50 in the middle between 40 and 50 here. 20.5 is going to be 85. So 85 here is going to be in the middle. Because this one 90 is going to be between 80 and 100 over here. So means that is going to be 2.5 lah. Isn't it? Yes. 2.5 box there. 20.5. 115. Middle between, because this one you are going to get 100 and 110. This one. So means that is going to be middle between 100 and 15 here. Okay. 30.5. 140 straight away, got 140. 35.5, 152. So it's going to be 150 over here. So it's going to be 1 square up from 150. And lastly, it's going to be 160. So we are going to plot all the points there. Okay. Then we are going to construct our ogive now. Make sure you are going to have how many points? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 points. Okay, now freehand without using ruler. You must touch all the points. Got it? Yes. That's my ogive. Okay? Now, we go back to our questions. The question is asking for us to find first quartile. Okay, we know that. Okay. Q1. We are going to determine from 1 out of 4 from the total. Total is going to be 160. So 1 out of 4 from 160, you're going to get 40. Okay, 40 here is going to be from our where's your 40 here? There. This one. There, here. This is your Q1 here. 40. Now take your ruler. This one need for you to know how to construct this one. Okay. Is it we are going to dotted? Yep. We are going to use our dotted line over here. 40 just now until you intercept or hit. Boleh juga lah hit. Okay. Intercept with our graph. And then I'm going to have over here for the number of our mistakes over here going to be. What do you get? What do you get? I'm going to get this one. If you look over here, I'm going to get the 1, 2. 2 of this one. So how did we want to find over here? 15.5 minus 10.5, you're going to get 5.5. Am I right?
Yeah.
5.5, I'm going to divide it by 10. Isn't it? So means that you are going to get for 1 square is going to be 0.55. Am I right?
Yes.
So you are going to have over here how many square? For me, I'm going to get 8 of my square here. So 8. Huh? Macam mana saya dapat 5.5? 15.5 minus 10.5. 5 eh? 5 eh? Oh, sorry. 5. Okay, sorry. 5 divided by 10 is going to be 0.5. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, 0.5 is going to be for 1 square. Okay, now it's going to be depends on your graph. Maybe some of you got 7, maybe some of you got 8, maybe some of you got 6. 6, 7, 8 can be lah. Okay, so what I'm going to do over here times with 0.5. So 8 times with 0.5, I'm going to get over here is going to be 8 times with 0.5, I'm going to get 4. So what happened over here is not 4.
Plus 10.5.
Yes, I'm going to plus with 10.5 for my answer here. I'm going to get 14.5. Can you understand? This is going to be for our value of quartile 1 here. First quartile. Yalah, you got 14 lah. It depends on your graph. Can girls? Yes? Oh, because we want to find 1 square.
5 divided 10.
Why 0.5? Why did I put 0.5? La ilaha illallah. 5. Just now I said 5, right? Sorry. Sorry. Can girls? What? Okay, next. Our question asking for us to find median. What's median? Buat macam tadi. Q2. Q1 just now is gonna be, sorry. Q1 you are going to get 1 out of 4 from 160. So just now we got 40. So Q2 is going to be half from our 160. So you're going to get 80. So go for your 80 now. Where's your 80? Over here. So by using your ruler, make a straight line. Oh, sorry. Apa? Hey, what? Macam-macam lah korang ni. Okay, so lah apa? Ya Allah, budak-budak ni. Tak stress. Okay, so I'm gonna get, same lah.
Apa same?
Saya lah.
You yang touch.
What happened? You touching the. Okay, so just now we have the same one over here for our Q2. So it means that I'm gonna get over here is gonna be the same also for 15.5. So it means that this one for my graph I got another 4 over here. So my Q2 I'm gonna have. You got 20. Okay, so 15.5 I'm going to plus with 4. So I'm going to get 19.5 for mine lah. If you got 20, yes, proceed 20. Yes, depends on your graph. Okay, plus minus lah. Plus minus we are going to get with our friend's answer. Okay, next. Q3, isn't it? Q4.
You said number 3.
Number 3, quartile, third quartile, right?
Yeah, 3 over 4.
3. Okay. Q3, you are going to get 3 out of 4 from 160. So 160 divided by 4, I'm going to get 40. 40 times by 3, 120. So just look for 120 there. So I'm going to make my straight line dotted here until you intercept with your ogive and make and make a straight line to your x-axis over here. Okay, I'm gonna get the 2. 2. So means that is gonna be 2 times with 0.5 is gonna be 1. So I'm gonna get my Q3 over here is gonna be 25.5 plus with 1. So I'm gonna get 26.5.
Yes, sir.
Depends lah. Depends on your graph there. Can you understand? Okay, so we have already our first quartile, second quartile or median, third quartile, and the fourth one. We have our first, second, and third question here. Okay, the fourth question is asking for us to find
17.
yes, 17 percentile. Okay. This is going to be percentile here is going to be from our percentage actually. So how to get our answer here? 70 over 100 times with from our frequency here 160. So you are going to get
112.
okay, 112. Now 112 is not going to be our answer. We are going to refer to our ogive. Okay. So where's your 112? 112, I'm going to get 1 here. Isn't it? No. Above 110, sorry. This is going to be 112. Am I right? So you are going to make this one. We are going to make our dotted here. Another dotted here.
I got 25.5. Wait.
Depends on your graph.
Sama lah. Kita dapat 25 je.
Okay, what I got over here is gonna be 2 square from my 25.5 means that I'm gonna minus with 1. 24.5, correct. So my 17th percentile over here, I'm gonna get 25.5 minus 1, so I'm gonna get 24.5.
Sir, if the answers that we refer to our table kan is not the same with the schema, like little bit difference only.
Yalah, but this one is gonna be depends on your graph actually. In the schema, okay, they are going to be plus minus only. Okay? Okay, done.
Dia memang 70 je ke dia